all right, my people, I greet you again. You are welcome back to another crazy video. Before we jump into this topic we carry us come here today, I would like make you kindly like this video, comment, and share to all your social media so that everybody go really know what they talk about for here and the update we will they give. So before I jump into the matter we really carry us come here, there's this Twitter handle guy, Ilim Narello Mokre. I think most of you that normally use Twitter will know this guy. He said that, dear man, never say happy birthday to your parent with a text and to your girlfriend with a lot. Hope you didn't listen. It's an evil recipe. Flip it. Send the text to your girlfriend and the alert to your parents. Money spent on the girlfriend attracts no blessing. Sure you get said money spent on a girlfriend attract no blessing. Yeah, to me, I really like see this thing as a good one and a good post. But normally, there's never a time a good guy will not spend money on his girlfriend though. But as they spend for your girlfriend at the same time, may you still try. Still remember saying that your parents now bring you come this world before you know that girlfriend. And at the same time, don't forget say your parents are still there. And they even still need you more than that your girlfriend to at least to still manage up with their life. May you still try. So remember your parents as they help your girlfriend at the same time, may you still they help your parents as well. So and then there was this other video I see yesterday. There was a man lying down on the road. This man is like live Dr. Yaro. He lied down on the road waiting for a motor or any kind of truck to just crush him so that he will just die. Leave the world for himself. So to me, I don't think taking your own life is an option at all, no matter what you are passing through in this life. So I know there are a lot of challenges for this life where we pass through. All of us they pass through a lot of challenges, but by the time you come make the decision of taking your whole life, that means you have lost everything. Before you trying to take decision to take your life, you first of all reason your life. Look back, you must see the people you are better than, and when you look from, there are other people that are still better than you. But that one don't mean say you need to take your life because of because of some kind of life challenges where they pass through. Sure you get. So we need to really encourage ourselves about those things so that not everything person will just say, oh, I'm passing through this difficulty. When you know that you are even still more better than a lot of people out there, if you really look. So that is the video there about the guy who is just trying to take his life. But I think that unfortunately nothing happened. Some guys still save him, and they were questioning this guy as in waiting they happen. Why he really want take this decision? Anyway, you try and drop your comment below so that we really know your whole issue. If this life, as in if it's really good for someone to just take his life or something like that. So drop your comment, let me see what you yourself you need to. Yeah, and again there was this other post I see, but I don't really know what to think about this post. It was from one, I saw it from Twitter, and this one is coming from a white guy, really. Like the guy is saying that Christian, if your church has woman preaching, whether occasionally or regularly, hear me very clearly. You need to find a new church. I don't really know what he mean by this, but I just want you to drop your opinion about this write-up and this post. So let's quickly move to another issue. There was this man that lost his life through the ignorance of a pastor. So this man lives in Dubai, and he gave a scholarship to about 40 people. Like they say, this man came back from Dubai to celebrate with those 40 people because they have graduated from the school. So those people now can't just try to, invite the man. The man can come down from Dubai to come celebrate with them. Through there, the pastor, they invite this man called church so that they pray for the man. As they pray for the man, and they give the man a candle, and this candle, they light the candle, fire there. At the same time, this pastor was spraying perfume. Can't they spray perfume for the man body? So all of a sudden, and we all know that those perfume, they're flammable, as in they can catch fire. So before you know, based on the candle where this man hold, now so boom, fire just entered this man body. Now lodu, they rush this man go hospital. Before you know, they say this man don't rest in peace. So for me, I was like, which kind ignorant thing be this? Even if the pastor don't know, at least they're supposed to don't tell us say all those things, or he's supposed to don't know say perfume, they flammable, it be like fuel, because those things contain alcohol, which it can easily attract fire. Just look, this man just came down home just to celebrate with the guys. He gave a scholarship, not knowing that this kind of small thing, because of the ignorance of one kind pastor, go just take his life like that. Anyway, may he so rest in peace. And I believe say if this man, if he reach heaven self, we shall the first day look and say, I want to explain, give God say man. Now happiness where I be say me I call happy. Now true prayer where they won't pray for me now, I follow go. Anyway, drop your comment. Let's see what you really think about that pastor. If like you, maybe the pastor do that kind of thing to your brother or your relative, we will see what you really think that you go do to that pastor, or any action where you know say you go fit take. Alright my people, let's move to another topic where any carriers come here. Check out this video. This one is coming from this actress, Eliola Badmus. I kind of really like what she really talk for here, because when for this type of way, there are some people where be say they will get the opportunity to help you, they get the finance, the money where they will help you, but they will like they tell you say, oh, this sickness when you dey sick, God go help you to you go get healed. Before you know, God go help you, you go well and everything. Some of them you go even go lay complete give them. You never eat, they get the money, they will tell you say, no worry, God go provide and everything. God go provide, yes, but God don't use you as a means to provide for this person. You get. As you get, me you still try. Share small to give the person. That means the prayer, you don't answer, and I be that. She shared this video, yesterday. For, I think maybe this girl, one of her friends, where they sick, and she came to the hospital just like that to just support this girl with some money. Now they share the video, they try to let people know say no be by giving people prayer where you get the means and the opportunity to help those people out of their problem, out of their trouble. So now the video now be that, so my people, may you try see and may you give your own, may you comment, because a lot of people really they do this kind of things really for this life, where you be say they will get the opportunity to help you, but they will.
How are you? God will be with you. Take care of yourself. You see, they actually brought money for the hospital bill. I mean, these are the friends that, these friends like this are the friends we're talking about.
All right, my people. This one another struggle where they happen, where just the happen of recent, a very big saga between this Bobrisky and this lady from Cameroon. But what did it surprise me now? Bobrisky even use he or she money fly this girl come from Cameroon just because this girl tattoo have for her body, just like that. So now I don't know the misunderstanding wey happen between Bobrisky and this girl. With this girl, every year you can't just enter now for social media. This girl will just dey blast Bobrisky anyhow, say he or she they live a fake life and all those stuff. So the thing, myself, I even the surprise as in normally we dey see a lot of people wey dey come out wey Bobrisky don help. Because like this lady they talk now, they talk say Bobrisky don't get anything. She just they live fake life. They go many people out, they take picture, they do videos, all those cars no be she get them. And another musician just come out. Another comedian just come out of recent where Bobrisky buy new Benz for, just because of he praised Bobrisky for a comedy skit. Now this guy is coming out now to tell us that Bobrisky is living a fake life and everything. Where she they do say all are fake. Bobrisky they smell, they do this, they do that. Man, I don't really know. But to me, if really the way Bobrisky they do, we know say yes. The way it stay transform her body, many people don't like her, but she still they try. They help people out there. I wish the way Bobrisky still they try to help people for outside. And so most of those our government where they thief our money, they thief the money, still they help us, they do things for the country. It was still better. So now the video now I want just play for now. So make una hear what this guy they talk about Bobrisky. So may you try give your own opinion.
We moved to mainland in his friend's house because all the toilets are spoiled. You can't bathe and the water will go. Even if you shit, you can't put water there. All the toilets are spoiled. So we went to his friend's house in mainland. That was the place we were living. We did like almost 1 month there. After the 1 month, we now went to Radisson Blue Hotel. That's the place. Even now, that's the place she's living in that hotel. I'll be working with her, doing my work as a PA, shaving his chest full of hair, helping him to dress, helping him to wear his clothes, helping him to pick his food, helping him to do everything, helping him to wear his pampers. I'll be helping your house, arrange your toilet, your unflushing toilet, arrange it. Stop going on in another person's house. Stop going there. Arrange your house. Fake life. Help your family. Help your brother that is following you like goats, that is not having work. Help your other brother. You are just lying to people on Instagram. Yes, I have this, I have that, but your parents are living in Ejibo. Your father is living in Ejibo. I went there several times. I was there. Your elder brother is living in Korodu. If you have money, why can't you build a house in Lagos and put them there? Why is your brother following you everywhere like an animal? Clean your shoes. Is it a life?
Alright, for that Bobrisky matter, may you kindly drop your comment, your opinion below so I will go really know what you think about the issue. This is the end of the video. Please, thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and comment so that everybody go really know what you will talk about here. God bless you. Bye.